Hi guys! Welcome back ulit sa tutorial ko. So for today's video, meron tayong sasagutan na problem na galing sa Ultimate Electrical Engineering Review application. Pwedeng ma-download sa ating mga gadgets or phones. So the problem is an algebra problem and it's a work problem. So basahin natin yung problem. A and B can do a piece of work in 42 days. B and C in 31 days. A and C in 20 days. In how many days can all of them do the work together? So for this type of problem, recall natin yung pinaka formula na ginagamit natin sa work problem, which is the rate is equals to the reciprocal of the time. So here, meaning ng ano na to, ng formula na to, kapag matagal mong gawin ng isang work or isang job, ibig sabihin mababa yung rate mo kasi mabagal ka. So vice versa, kapag mabilis mong matapos yung isang particular na job or work, mataas yung rate mo or ibig sabihin mabilis ka. So try natin analyze yung yung problem sentence by sentence. So A and B can do a piece of work in 42 days. So dapat yung A at B equal siya sa rate na 42 days, which is A over 1 over A plus 1 over B is equals to 1 over 42. Usin natin 1 over 42. B and C in 31 days. So 1 over B plus 1 over C is equals to 1 over 31. A and C in 20 days. So bali 1 over A plus 1 over C in 20 days. So kung mapapansin natin, dalawa si A, dalawa si B, and dalawa si C. So pwede lang natin siyang i-add. Factor natin si 2, 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is equals to, so para i-add natin to, kunin ko lang yung calculator kasi mahina tayo sa ganyan. 1 over 42 plus 1 over 31, it's 73 over 1,302 plus 1 over 20, it's 1,381 all over 13,020. Divide both sides by 2, so bali 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. This will now divide both sides by 2. This will now be 1381 all over 26,040. Double check natin, divided by 2. Tama. So, ito na ba yung final answer? Hindi pa kasi nga naka-reciprocal siya. So, para makuha natin, i-reciprocal lang natin to. So, bali, si A working together with B and C is equals to 26,040 all over 1,381, or this is approximately 18.86 days. 86. This will now be our final answer. It's letter A. So yun, sana may natutunan kayo sa araw na ito, and malaking tulong to sa pag-recall nyo sa algebra natin, which is ito yung mga basics sa ating algebra. So yun lang, maraming salamat sa pakikinig, and maraming salamat ulit sa patuloy na suporta. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe na rin kayo sa YouTube channel ko. So yung YouTube channel ko pala is John Paul Acorda. Ito yung may picture na nakatoga pa ako. So, yun lang. Maraming salamat ulit.